Good morning students, a very warm good morning to all of you. Today we are here with the lesson number 2 of mathematics semester 2, that is metric measures. Okay, so before starting the lesson, some warm up is given there. Just see what are these. First question is tick right the correct statement. Okay, now longer distances are measured in kilometers. Yes students, you have an idea that when you are measuring the distance between the two cities, it is the longer one, or any two longer distance you measure, it is by kilometers. So it is the right sentence. Then 4 liter 35 ml plus 8 liter 135 ml is equal to, you just have to add the number, that is 35 135, it is equal to 0, carry 1, 6 plus 1 7, no, it is the wrong one. Then weight is measured in kilometers and meters, no, weight is measured in grams and kilograms. We divided 1000 to convert gram into kilogram. Yes, when you are converted gram into kilogram, you just have to divide by 1000. Kiloliter means thousands, liter, no, it means 10,000 liter. We can convert liters into milliliters, yes. Then cloth, how you are measuring this cloth? By meter, bucket of water by liter, and cough syrup by ml means milliliter, and rice by kilogram. Okay, now moving to our next topic, that is conversion of units. Okay, now here something is given. As I remember that the standard unit of measuring length is meter. Here that you already know student, because you already learned about the meter, centimeter, kilometer. Yes, so the standard unit of measuring length is meter. Of measuring weight is gram, and measuring capacity is liter. Yes, this system is known as the metric system of measures. Just see conversion of units. Okay, besides the units like meter, gram and liter, we have some other units of measurement. Also let us observe them. Just see what are the given units. Now units of length. Millimeter means mm, you know. Centimeter means cm, and decimeter means dm. So millimeter is the 1/1000 of a meter, centimeter is 100 of 1 upon 100 of meter, and dm is decimeter is 1/10 of a meter. Okay, now decameter. What is the decameter? Means dam. So decameter is the 10 meters. Hectometer means 100 meters, and kilometers means thousands of meter. Okay, so what you are observing from that, when you are moving to the decimeter, centimeter, millimeter, the numbers are in fractions, means 1 upon, and when you are moving to the decameter, hectometer and kilometer, it is 10 times of given one. Yes, what about the milligram, centigram, decigram? Again 1 upon 1000, 1 upon 100 and 1 upon 10, and here decagram is 10 gram, hectogram is 100 gram, and kilogram is 1000 gram. Again about the capacity, it is in the liter. So on the left side, deciliter is dl 1 upon 10 of a liter. Then centiliter is 1 upon 100 of a liter, and milliliter is 1 upon 1000 of a liter. Then what about the decaliter is 10 liters. Hectoliter is equal to 100 liters, and kiloliters is equal to thousands liter. Okay, now conversion of higher units into the lower units. When we move from bigger unit to the smaller unit, we multiply millimeter to the centimeter, means started from kiloliter. Okay, kiloliter to the hectoliter multiplied by 10, hectoliter to the decaliter multiplied by 10, then deca to the basic unit mg per liter is multiplied by 10. Again when you are converting into the deciliter, it multiplied by 10. When you are converting in centiliter, multiplied by 10, and when you are converting in milliliter, it will be converted into multiplied by 10. So when you are converting lower to the higher to the lower unit, it will be multiplied by 10, multiplied by 10 and multiplied by 10 up to the milli. Okay. Now, just see here, convert the following. 3.6 hm, hm is the, yes, hectometer into meter. So 3.6 hm, so 3.6 hm, what about the meter is equal to 100 of meter, then it is equal to 360 of meter. Then phi dam, then phi dam is, you just say decameter. So 1 meter is equal to, yes, thousands of centimeter, sorry, 1 diameter is equal to thousands of meter. Therefore 5 meter multiplied by 1000 is equal to 5000 centimeter. Again you can see 2.5 kilometer, it is equal to, converted into the 2.5 multiplied by 1000 dm is equal to 25,000 of dm. Okay. Now convert these 6 hg 30 dg into dg. So what you have to do, 1 dg is equal to thousands. Okay. Therefore 6 hg is equal to 1000, 6 multiplied by 1000 dg plus 30 of dg. Then add, this is also dg and this is also dg. So it is equal to 6000 plus 30 is equal to 6030 of dg. Okay. Now B1 5 kg 60 dag. So 5 multiplied by 100 is dag is plus 60 dag. So 500 dag plus 60 dag is equal to 560 of dag. Okay. Now see the example 3. Convert 5 liter 60 cl into cl. Cl means kiloliter, or you can say, sorry, centiliter. Cl means centiliter. So what is the relation? 1 upon 100 means 5 multiplied by 100 cl plus 60 cl. So it is equal to 560 of cl. Let's see the C1. 3.5 kl means kiloliter is equal to 3.5 multiplied by 10,000 of dl. So it is equal to 35,000 of dl. Are you understood everyone how to multiply it? Yes. Now you just have to remember this one. From left to the right or from right to the left, which is the highest one and which is the lowest one, and the difference between this, then what is the unit of that? Multiplied by 10. Okay, in this way you have to remember these. Conversion of lower unit into the higher units. Just see, when we move from smaller to the bigger unit, we divide. Yes, that you know. When you are moving from higher to the lower, you just have to multiply, and when you are moving from lower to the higher, you just have to, yes, smaller to the bigger, you just have to divide. Okay, divided by 10, divided by 10 and divided by 10 up to the kiloliter. Just see here what is given, 3685 mm into m and mm. So 3000 mm plus 385 mm. So divided by 1000 meter is equal to 3 meter 685 of mm. Then 7156 of meter means 7000 of meter plus 156 of meter. Then 7000 divided by 1000 kilometer is equal to 7 kilometer 156 of meter. Okay. Now see about the next one. 32 mg into cg and mg. So 32 mg is equal to 30 mg plus 2 mg. Yes. Then 30 divided by 10 is equal to 3 cg plus 2 mg. Okay. Now 3640 of gram. So what you have to do for doing the kilogram? You just have to divide it by 1000. You will get 3.643 of kg. Okay. Now just see the B1, 4239 of dg. Then convert it into the dag. So for that you just have to divide it by 100. You will get 42.39 of dag. Okay. Now see this one, 250 dl into HL. Then 250 dl is equal to 250 divided by 1000 is HL, means 0.24 HL. So students, are you understood how to convert DL, HL, CG, MG, M and DM? Yes. Now see, some examples are given here in my practice time 1. The first one is 0.026 kg is equal to how much of gram? Yes, divided by 1000 you will get 26 gram. Okay. Now B, 352 dam. 352 dam is equal to, yes, 100 dam. 100 dms. You just have to multiply it by 100. 1 dam is equal to 100 dm. So it is equal to 35200 dm. Then what about the C? 52.68 HL. So you just have to convert it into the KL. So it is equal to, shift to the left side. So it is equal to 5.268 KL. Okay. Now 2.27 CL into the ML. So for you have to, what you have to do, you just have to multiply it by 10. So it is equal to 22.7 of ml. Okay. So this remaining one you have to do by your own. Now state whether true or true T or false F. Okay. Now deciliter is bigger unit of measurement than liter. Yes, it is the false one because deciliter is the smallest unit. Next, 15470 Cg is equal to 1.5470 Hg. Yes, it is the true. Then to convert kilometers to decameter, we multiply by 100. Yes, again it is true. And then while converting millimeter to liter, we divide it by thousands. Yes, it is also true. Okay. Now here convert the following as suggested. 2625 Cg into dag and Cg. For that what you have to do, you just have to divide it by 1000. So you will get 2 dag and 625 of Cg. Yes. Next B1, 2 kg 15 dag into dag. So you just have to write, multiply it by, yes, multiply it by how much? It is equal to 215 of dag. Okay. Now the C1, 4.2 hm into m. So 4.2 hm into m means you just have to multiply it by 100. So it is equal to 4200. Okay. Now moving to the next, 1 point shift here. So it is equal to 420 m. Now the CD1, 6.3 kilometer into the dam. So 6.3 means you just have to multiply it by 6300 means by the 100. Okay. Now shift the 1 point here, that is 6330 of dam. Okay students, are you understood how to convert? Okay. Now moving to the next topic, that is operation on measurement. At 3 meter 56 centimeter and 4 meter 96 centimeter. It is the simple one, just add meter into the meter and centimeter into the centimeter. Okay. Here is given, add the centimeter column first. Yes, when you are adding the 56 plus 96, it is equal to 152. So 1 meter 52 centimeter. So here you have to write 52 centimeter and carry 1 meter on meter column. Okay. Now here you can write 1 plus 3 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Then subtract 2 kg 350 gram from 9 kg 225 gram. Okay. Now 9 kg 225 gram, where is the, yes, 9 kg 225 gram minus 2 kg 350 of gram. So here you see 350 is greater than 225, so it will be not possible. So you just have to take 1 from that, it will be 1225. Yes, when you are subtracting 1225 minus 350 is equal to 875, but from 9 you have taken the 1 carry, that's why you just have to write, cut it 9 and write it as 8, and 8 minus 2 is 6. Okay. Now so it is the subtraction. Now Rahul bought a 3 liter 500 ml orange juice can. Find out the quantity of juice he will get if he buys 5 such cans. Okay. So how much is he's bought? That is 3 liter 500 ml. Okay, 3 liter 500 ml is bought. And how much here in such can? How much juice is there? Okay, he just want to fill the buy the 5 such cans. So it is equal to 17 liter 500 milliliter. Then Priyanka has 3 meter 75 centimeter of ribbon. If she want to cut this into the 3 equal parts, so you just have to divide 3 meter 75 centimeter by 3. So you will get 3 ones are 3, 0, 0, drag 7 down, 3 twos are 6, then 1 is remaining, drag the 5 down, then 3 5s are 15. So what will be the answer is? The length of one ribbon is equal to 1 meter 25 centimeter. Okay students, so the 4 operations are given there: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of all the measurements. Okay, so depending on that, some my practice time 2 is given there. Just see the first one. 125 meter plus 20 centimeter and 46 meter 96 centimeter. For that you just have to add the number. So first one you can write here. Here write meter and here the centimeter. It is 125 meter and 20 centimeter. Here is the 46 meter and 96 centimeter. Just add the number. The 6, 11, carry 1. 6 is 12, carry 1, 7 and 1. So it is equal to 172 meter and 16 centimeter. Okay. Now see the B1, liter and milliliter. So here I have to write liter and here milliliter. So it is 156 liter, 319 milliliter, then 417 liter and 830 of milliliter. Just add the number. 9, 4, 11, carry 1, 4, carry 1, 7 and 6. Yes, 4 plus 1, 5. So what is the answer? 474 and here 1, it is the 149 ml and is the liter. Okay. Now in this way you have to do the remaining addition. Yes. Now see the question number 2. Subtract 241 liter 516 ml from 406 liter 356 ml. So write the first one. 406 356. So it is the liter, it is the milliliter. Then subtract 241 and here is the 516. Okay. Now 516. So 6 minus 6 is 0, 5 minus 1 is 4, 3 minus 5 is not possible, so you just have to cut, write it here 5, here is the 13 minus 5 is 8, 6 minus 5 minus 1 is 4, 40 minus 24 is equal to 16, okay. So you just have to write here 164 liter and 840 milliliter, okay. Now see the B1. Kilometer, meter. So 76 kilometer and 141 meter. Then 54 kilometer and 300 meters. So subtract 1 minus 0 is 1, 4 minus 0 is 4, 1 minus 3 is not possible, then cut it and write it as 5. Here is the 11 minus 3 is 8, 1 and here is the 2. So the answer will be 21 kilometer and 841 meter. Okay. Now multiplication and division in V1 you can do by your own. Yes students. Just see the first multiplication. What is given? 24 kilometer 300 meter and multiplied by 7. 7 0 0 0. 21 you have to write 1, carry 2 here. 7 4s are 28, 29 30, carry 3, 7 2s are 14, 15 16 17. So here you have to write 170 kilometer and 100 of meter. Yes, you know how to multiply it. Then just do the division. Fourth question. 91 kg 749 gram and divided it by 7. Okay. Now 7 ones are 7, subtract 2, drag 1 down, 21, 7 3s are 21, it is the 0 0, then dot you can put, then again take 7, 7 ones are 7, subtract 0, then take the 4 down, bring down 4, 0, 0, and here you never again 4 and make the 9 down. So 7 7s are 49. Here is the 0, means what will be the answer is, you can write it as 13 kg. Here you have to write 13 kg and how much? 107 gram. Okay, so are you understood, student, how to multiply, divide and addition, subtraction? Yes. Okay, now see the fifth question. Rahul has bought 6 liter 475 milliliter of orange juice and 7 liter 750 ml of mango juice for the party. Find the quantity of juice that to be brought. So what you have to do, you just have to add both of these, you will get the answer. Now, a box A weight 36 kg 246 gram and another box B weight is 52 kg 531 gram. Which box weighs more? Which box weight is more? Here is the 36 kg, here is the 52 kg. Obviously box B's weight is more. So by how much? So you just have to subtract this from this number. Okay. Now, Fabian walks a distance of 2 km 630 meter every day. How much distance she walk in the month of September? In the month of September, how many days are there? 30. So you just have to multiply these 2 km 63 meter multiplied by 30. Then you will get the answer. Now 8 watermelon weight 27 kg 800 gram. If all the watermelons of the same weight, what you have to do? You just have to divide, means 8 watermelon divided by 27 800. Okay, it is the 8th answer. So 8 is a 24, 3 remaining, bring it down 8, 32, 6 here, then bring the 0 down, 60, 7s are 56, 4, then 0, 8 5s are 40. 0 0. So how much is having the same weight, means find out the weight of one watermelon in gram. So you just have to write the weight of one watermelon gram is equal to 3475. Okay, this is the simple one. Just see here, a rope is cut into 12 equal pieces. If the total length of rope is this much, then what will be the length of each piece? What you have to do? 54 meter 72 centimeter divided by 12, you will get the answer. Now see the 10th one. Shivam is 7 centimeter taller than Richa. If Shivam height is 1 meter 35 centimeter, what is the Richa's height? So you just have to add 7 meter taller, means you just have to add 7. So it is equal to how much? Yes, it is equal to, yes, you just have to do, you will get the answer. Okay. Then estimating sums. You know, students, what about the estimate? Estimate means you just have to round off the number. Sometimes we estimate measure in our day-to-day life. For this, we need to be able to relate objects with their suitable units of measurement. See, about 1 liter, about 12 centimeter, about 300 ml and about 5 kg. Okay. So just see, in my practice time 3, take write the appropriate measure. The wingspan of an aeroplane. Yes, the wingspan of the aeroplane are how much? 50 meter or 500 meter? It is equal to 50 meter. A bottle of a shampoo, 500 ml or 500 liter? 500 ml. A basket of fruit is 10 kg or 10 gram? 10 kg. Yes, length of a table is 2 meter or 2 centimeter? 2 meter. And weight of a comb is 50 gram or 50 milligram? 50 gram. Okay, so in this way you just have to convert. Okay, now in I learned, when we move from bigger unit to smaller unit, you just have to, yes, from when you are moving bigger to the small, you just have to multiply it by 10, and when you are moving to smaller to the bigger one, you just have to divide it by 10. You just these two things you just have to remember. So students, I hope all the topics in the lesson metric measurement you will understood very well. So with this hope, today we finish the lesson number 2, metric measurement. Okay, now thank you so much. Next we are meeting in the next class. Thank you so much, students.